Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Polaroid frame on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my Instagram story, and to create Polaroid frame, we can go to the text option and you can type in dot like this and make sure you select this font, and you have to change the background of the text to white like this. If you want to change the background, you can click on this option, tap on it until you got the white background like this and click on done. And then we're going to zoom in to make it larger, and you can put your photo on this Polaroid frame. You can tap on sticker and then you can select the photo and you can choose the photo you want to add. And for example, I'm just going to select this one, and you can tap to change the shape, and you can adjust it like this. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Oops, I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. Okay. And I guess that's all the way to create Polaroid frame on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.